Welcome to Fulcrum Group's Microsoft Office 365 Macro Tech Tips, your 3 minutes or less video tips on how to do cool stuff within the Office 365 suite. Today's tip is how to use keyboard shortcuts within Microsoft Teams. Fun fact, most Microsoft Office 365 apps have extensive keyboard shortcuts to make your life easier. Microsoft Teams is no different. There are many different shortcuts via the keyboard that you can use. To bring up the full list of keyboard shortcuts, press Control period. The keyboard shortcuts are broken up into areas including General, Navigation, Messaging, and Meeting, Calls, and Calendar. Let's take a look at some of the best keyboard shortcuts in Teams that will make you more productive. Navigating from one area of Teams to another can be time-consuming using the mouse, but navigating via the keyboard shortcuts is a snap. Press Control-1 for Activity. That will take you right to your activity feed. Press Control-2 for Chat. That'll take you to the list of your ongoing chats. Press Control-3 for Teams. This will give you a list of all of your teams in your environment. And press Control-4 for the calendar. One of my favorite shortcuts is Control-N. This one starts a new chat. Just type in the name of the person that you want to start chatting with. And then start chatting away. Next up, you can press Control-E to bring up Team Search, which is a powerful tool to find conversations with specific keywords anywhere in Teams. I tend to send a lot of files within Teams, so I'm often pressing Control-O to attach a file. And from here, I can upload from my computer or I can choose a file from OneDrive. Now we're going to do a quick video call. And we're going to test a few of the other keyboard shortcuts.
Hey, David.
Good afternoon. We're going to test some shortcuts on the keyboard, so here we go.
Okay.
Two other really important keyboard shortcuts are Control-Shift-M. That turns off your microphone or turns it back on. And then we also have Control-Shift-O to toggle your video. And then last one we have is Control-Shift-K to raise or lower your hand. Caitlin, thanks for your help. We're going to drop off of that. And that's everything that we have for today. We hope you found this Office 365 micro tech tip useful. See you next time.